What's happening with you, Ryder?
Respect has to be earned, sweet.
Carl, you drive. Smoke look like he gonna pass out.
Our moms get killed. We gotta talk about it.
We all gotta talk about it. They was going for sweet.
How you supposed to know that? You know what people are like. Say they have love for you, but won't say a word. Too damn scared.
Some people say they saw a green Sabre doing the work, then speeding away.
Yeah, but people like to talk, don't they? Anyway, that's half of Santos you talking about.
You always crashing,
Yeah,
CJ.
you right. My bad.
Hey, bruh.
They had sprayed the house. I ain't seen shit. Let's roll! Hit it! Go, go, go! Hit the gas, we gotta ice these niggas.
Why you ain't blasting, Smoke?
I'll shoot him when I'm
CJ.
done eating.
Quit stuffing your motherfucking mouth. Let's go.
I ain't stuffing it, homie. I'm enjoying my meal. And kill the asshole. Ah, shit, this is a great sandwich.
Smoke,
Stab
stop
outta here,
stuffing your
CJ.
face and start popping them balls.
I'm trying to enjoy my food.
And those fools are trying to enjoy our death. Now,
CJ,
come on,
you
Smoke!
asshole.
Shoot!
Hey, I'm just finishing my fry.
I ain't gonna say I know it,
My
Speed
special.
up a little, we sit.
Oh shit, got ketchup all over the seat.
The business at hand, motherfucker. The business at hand.
But these
Let's
were
roll.
clean pants. CJ, watch the damn road.
Chill, motherfucker. This ain't a Sunday drive
Move,
situation.
CJ.
My soda, it's all over the fucking floor.
Well, you can suck it up once we're done. Now keep your eyes on the baller car. Stab out of here, CJ. Speed it up a little, we sit.
You gonna get messed up for that.
Come on, CJ, earn your keep.
Come on, punch.
I'm not in the mood for this.
Little mark.
Get the hell out of here!
Damn, that was some serious shit.
Yeah, man, those baller fools won't try that again. Carl, let's get back to the grove.
All right, I'm on it.
Oh, man. That food filled a hole.
You chubby motherfucker. Next time you better start blast or I'm gonna blast you myself.
Smoke you wide, man. I mean wide.
And that's why you love me, baby. You hit me.
Get off the road! I want to take a piss!
What the fuck?
That's one up for the grove.
Say what, Smoke? All you managed to do was eat my damn food up.
Yeah, it was getting cold.
Y'all coming in for a beer?
Nah, baby. I need to get back.
What was with you back there, Smoke?
Man, if you can eat your food while everybody else is losing theirs and blaming you, you straight, homie.
What?
Nothing. Just some poetry I read.
Hey, Smoke, tell me why you moved out the Grove.
Man, got some money from my aunt. I mean, it's a nice place and all, but the Grove is in my heart, baby. It's where my dogs is at.
Yeah, okay, homie.
Idiot! Hey, thanks, Carl. Hey, I miss having you around, baby.
Thanks, man. I wish Sweet thought like that.
He don't mean it, CJ. He's still real tore up about your moms, man. Here, get yourself a little smoky smoke on smoke and relax, homie.
Move, chum, before I get him.